this school is that kind of a laboratory for practicing in your studios what you want to do and what you aspire to do in the community. Critical placemaking instead overlays a social justice agenda onto the reimagining process, centering community members as essential actors. And I think the key to agency is ownership, not individual ownership, but collective ownership. You have, the United Nations definition of the right, this is the right to housing or the right to shelter, is the right to tenure. In other words, that you don't just have the house, the shelter, but that you have the right to stay in it.